The course I've chosen to do as part of my assignment is a LinkedIn mobile app quick start by Brad Bastow for lynda.com. LinkedIn is the world's largest online social network for professionals. It helps you by offering tools designed specifically to help you find a job, build professional relationships, and identify key opportunities. It's essential for the on-the-go professional. Plus, LinkedIn's newest version of their application has made it even easier to view updates regarding your industry and colleagues. This course teaches you how to navigate the app and get you comfortable with the core features. You can download the app by visiting www.linkedin.com/mobile and selecting the correct link depending on whether you're Android or Apple. Once you get the app, you will be asked to sign in. You will then be directed to the newsfeed. First-time users will be offered a quick tour of the latest features. You will then get the opportunity to follow companies, connect with people, and to follow topics you may be interested in. You will have the option to import your contacts from your phone, and that'll help you to connect with people you already know. Once you click into the app, you're on the home screen, and this is where you'll find it easy to interact with colleagues and like and share content you find interesting on that particular day. Messaging is one of the key components of LinkedIn. Once you tap the messaging icon at the bottom of the screen when you open the app, you can see all your messages that you may have received. If you'd like to create a new message, you need to tap the compose icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Type whoever it is you want to send the message to, and you can also add more than one contact to send it to multiple people. You also have the opportunity to share a photo by selecting the camera icon. If you want to delete a message, you can simply swipe to the left on an iPhone and choose delete. You can swipe right to mark as unread. Select Me in the navigation at the bottom of the screen and choose the gear icon in the upper right hand corner. There you'll have access to your account privacy and communication settings. It is also where you can sign out. It's easy enough to edit your email address, number, and change your password. If you tap the privacy option, you can take a look at how you're sharing information. This is also a communications tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can configure push notifications. You can enable and disable these whenever you like, which will determine whether you get a notification when various actions happen on the app.